1,554 votes. Sorry, Lightning, you're out.
But we just prevented death instead of doing the challenges. Grr.
Lightning, we appreciate your service. You will be missed.
This is not fair.
Two, put a stop to this already!
Why did we do this? Why did we make our team about preventing death when we keep losing? 3 of us are already out. We're getting ourselves eliminated from this nonsense.
It's a noble cause.
Yeah, you can say that because you didn't just get out. I'm so angry. Grr. I'm so mad I could just explode.